Once again, Arkansas's Attorney General is suing an alarm company on accusations that use deceptive door-to-door tactics. A new lawsuit was filed today against Utah-based Anthem Alarm.
Our Alexis Wainwright talked with a customer today and joins us live with their story. Alexis.
Bob and Ashley, Attorney General Rutledge says that this company made its money by selling safety, and it was all a scam, and that's why she decided to step in and file this lawsuit here at the county courthouse. Tonight, one of the customers I talked with says her sense of security is nothing to play with.
I'm real disappointed. I just got so stressed out over it.
Diana Billings says she's not happy after switching to Safe Home Security, an alarm system under Anthem Alarm, the company being sued by Rutledge. Billings says she switched after she was approached by a salesman at her door.
I don't remember word for word, but like Brinks was going out of business.
She says something just didn't seem right.
It seemed fishy from the get-go, and the only reason we went ahead and did it is because, well, our finances have changed. So
Billings says after 2 months of having the system, her alarm would suddenly start chirping. And at that point, police would always show up to her house. And at that point, she was ready to leave the company.
One night it chirped and we couldn't get it to stop for anything. So that's when I decided I needed to push as hard as I could.
And when she finally found someone to come help with her alarm, the man told her the company wasn't good and he fixed several folks' alarms with the same issue. And after several notes and attempts to reach out to the company, they told her she would have a more than $2,800 buyout. She's currently stuck in a 66-month contract.
We don't have $3,000, $2,800 to buy them out.
Billings says it's been a long process trying to work with them, but she says it feels good to know that the Attorney General has stepped in.
It makes me feel like there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and we're going to get our old service back.
And for more information on this lawsuit and to learn how to avoid from falling victim to something like this, you can log on to our website. That's krk.com. Reporting live outside of Pulaski County Courthouse, Alexis Wainwright, KRK 4 News. Back to you guys in the studio.